How to set out of office status in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can set the OOO or the out of office status in your Microsoft Teams. So basically there are a few ways that you can do this. The first straightforward method is that you click onto your profile picture at the top right, and then from here you might see available or any other status. So you can simply click onto the status, and from here you can choose to appear away by clicking onto this appear away option. Or apart from that, you can also set a status message. As I have already set this status message, I can edit this or add another one as well that can specify that I am out of office, and then I can click onto this done option and it will show me as out of office. Then, apart from that, you can also go to the search bar and type in a forward slash, and from here you can type in your status like away, busy, DND, BRB, offline, go, and whatnot. So I can simply choose away, and now this will appear like this. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.